Me, Mr. Kudjoe, see, in shop here Agblezaa last stop. Customs selling here, Mali here customs about J60, 70, 80. Many, I'm a banker, me, I'm a just shown in your mechanic or Mutuele J and Ubaba no que. We need be yo. You don't tell me about Shabby and you quite name my boy beer. And you by Jane come to be a maybe a pea. You want to come work out. Go Benny Bany or Yemino Chulu. I can. You know, one of me almost up like 19 to 20 years. Yeah. Or you need to nature. Okay. I'll be here. Some people will call me. I'm from Kumasi, Ade Achiasi, Abisudama. I'm from Vota. I hear your name, but I take your number to locate you. I also come to see that is it true what they are saying. So then to where they come, whatever I do for them, if they appreciate where they go, they spread the messages to people. And let me have a customer. Some people are from far place, some people are near to me, and I have a lot of friends in the bike. Yeah. So that is it.
My name is Agblezaa. I live at Teshi Malek. I've been with Kudjoe since 2017, and he has been, repairing my motor. I don't have any issue with him. Since 2017, we have been friends because of that. That's why they give us one Ghana. Sometimes if we repair motor, my boss, that's my boss. When he finishes, he will give him 1 city. That's where the name came, one Ghana. So if you enter here, the name one Ghana is popular.
Me, I'm always busy, and you cannot call me that I should come somewhere and check your bike for you. Then I will leave the shop and go. And that's what I'm saying. I don't go out. So you rather trace me, either you put it in the car, or you let another bike tow you, then you bring it. So me, I don't go out. But I'm long nose. Drop him up. I'm planning a book a kada. Plan. No one. My wife, you know, now why?